Hello fan community, Braxton here. So what we've got here today, we got an update video on the Camera 2 Plus. So the update I've done with it is replacing the capacitor. Here's the old one right here. You can see it has a bubble and it has some scratches as well, so so yeah, so here's the light on the Camera 2 Plus. It's still the same. Still got the LED bulbs in there. Let's put this on low. Now, low speed is pretty aesthetic now since I could put a Casablanca capacitor in there. And it flies now. Flies on high and medium. And they're basically exactly the same, by the way, on medium and high. But low speed is pretty aesthetic, I gotta say. Look at that gorgeous thing go. These blades are not reversible since they're plastic and they're blue. So here's high speed. The buzzing is from the light kit, but it flies. Yeah, the rattling is from the light kit, as you may notice. I might just take the shades off because of how annoying they get. It's pretty cool. Okay, so it's moving the Alaska, the Hunter 6-bladed Colonial 2, and the air core. It's not moving the Neon though, but I've already posted a video about that. I plan on just taking off the shades. But they're really cool. They're really too cool not to take off. So I'm just probably gonna leave them. Alright, spin down. I like to keep this on low just so it doesn't, I'm afraid it's gonna explode because of how fast it goes. Let's do spin down. Reverse is the same thing, so I'm not gonna show you. Reverse is the same thing, so I'm not gonna show you all. The air core is still going, but the Hunter in Alaska have stopped. Wonder why the air core is still going. It's pretty cool. I have already cleaned it, by the way, since of how dirty it was. I decided to clean it. There's only 2 screws holding it on, holding the switch housing on where I replaced the capacitor. Yeah. Wow, it's taking a while to stop. Come on. It's taking quite a while. It's been like 2 minutes now, I think. We're up to 4 minutes. There's my Galaxy over there. I'm gonna use it 24/7 because I'm scared that this is gonna explode during the night. And we're gonna have a fire in the morning, so I'm afraid that's gonna happen. So that's why I have it on. That's why I'm gonna keep it on low, just to be safe. Because low is probably the safest speed on this right now, and it's pretty slow, so I don't have to worry. I just need some air circulating throughout the room. does blow quite a lot of air now since I replaced the capacitor. It was not made to go this fast. It was not made to go really fast. It went slower than it does now. We'll do 0 to high, by the way. There's 0 to high. Plus, the buzzing would bother me at night. I'll show medium because it's exactly the same. You can see it does wobble. No. Alright. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, have a good rest of your day, folks. Peace.